And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to log mental health notes in Stoic. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log mental health notes in Stoic, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open Stoic. Once you open your Stoic, all you gotta do now is simply get logged in into your account. After getting logged in, all you got to do is simply follow the prompts. The app provides you prompts to guide you through how you can reflect on your emotions, experience, and thought patterns. This is where you can write your mental health notes as part of your response. Your mood and feeling can be wrote, or like prompt can also ask you about events and challenges, gratitude, and lessons learned. You can use guided journal templates as well to write about therapy progress, stress, anxiety, self discovery, and nightmare recoveries. So you can also tag and organize and utilize the media notes. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.